Hello and welcome to our training. In this video, you will learn how to record a voice or hand vote in TownVOTE. Sometimes during a meeting, the moderator might decide that a hand or voice vote is more appropriate than using clickers for a specific article in the agenda. In scenarios where the keypads are not being used to take a vote, it is best to record the results of the vote using the pre-vote screen. You can see the pre-vote icon within the action bar as a speech bubble icon with 3 dots. By selecting the pre-vote icon, you will bring up the pre-vote details screen. You can see in the middle towards the right side a voice hand vote section where you can click whether or not the vote passed or failed. It may also be helpful to include notes in the notes text box at the bottom. For example, if there's a unanimous vote, it may be useful to indicate that, as I have done below. When you have completed entering in the information and closed the pre-vote details window, you will see that the agenda item vote has been recorded as passed or failed based on your input. Sometimes mistakes happen, and you may have made an error. It is possible to change the topic text of a recorded vote, but you must enter your initials to be shown in the record. You may also discount the results and duplicate the agenda item for a revote. Thank you for watching this training on how to record a voice or hand vote in TownVOTE. If you have any questions, please contact our support team or visit our knowledge base. Links will be provided on screen and in the video description.